All right, day 3, final day. I hope you like the new picture behind me. It is a pig jumping off a dock in my dad's office. For today, it's going to be a little different. The slides are going to be the same. I'm going through the slides, but then your assignment, instead of just the worksheet, you're going to be interviewing somebody in your household. They have to be high school age or older, and I'll run you through what that interview is going to look like. So, stress management day 3. It's your turn to put this into action. So you're going to teach and interview somebody, and then you are going to record them responding to what they learned. Okay, so make sure you know inside and out the information so that you're able to teach them. So task 1, you're watching me right now. Task 2, watch today's slides right here. The link is right here as well. If you'd like to follow those slides, there you go. Task 3, here we go. Complete day 3 by following the PDF titled Ways to Manage Stress, worksheets 5 and 6. Okay, you are only submitting a video for today's assignment. Okay, you're not going to download the PDF and write on it. You're only submitting a video. Again, you are only submitting a video. So worksheet number 5 is the first page. It's what you are going to be teaching to your interviewee. Okay, it's what they need to know to answer the questions. For worksheet 6, you'll see questions on there. This is what you are asking whoever you're interviewing. Okay, so you're going to videotape yourself asking these questions and then them responding. You're uploading just the video, and for the video criteria, you need in this video, you and the other person. Okay, you need to record yourself asking all the questions, so you can't just cut yourself out or only have the person answer 3 questions. Okay, so you're going to need to ask the one question, they're going to need to respond. You're going to ask the other, then they're going to need to respond. Ask the other, then they're going to need to respond. Okay, after they have thoroughly responded to all of your questions, you're going to end the video, and that is what you're going to upload down here in the day 3, May 7th video upload assignment tab. Your PDF is right here. The slides are right here. Make sure this is all turned in by Friday, and have a good weekend.